Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 24, 2024, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong April 24, 2024, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, April 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 24, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Wednesday, April 24, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of April 24, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.